Hello, all you YouTube Lego fans. Mano MTY on the computer now. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego microwave oven. It will look just like this. Don't need anything in it right now. So let's get on building. I know you realize glasses, but I think I didn't wear them yesterday. But I do need to wear them at school. Sometimes I just don't take them off. Okay. First piece, you'll need this kind of door. Nothing on the back. If it has stickers, take them off. Then get 2 by 3 like this. Get 2 of them. Place it under like this. Make it look like this and put it right there. So then you have room for the other one. If you put it the different way, that you need a 2 by 3. And there you have it. It's so easy to build. Anyone can build it. You can look at Brick Boy's 518 to build it easier. But you can look at mine for children under, or if you want to build mine if you're big. That's all for today, YouTube Lego fans. This is Mano MTY getting up and down.